Let's calculate the amount of concrete needed for the project to the left, which includes one sidewalk and one slab. Start a new project or open an existing one. Let's name our project and add our first shape. For the sidewalk, choose the slab and rectangle shape. Let's name the shape, then enter the dimensions of our sidewalk. The sidewalk is 4 inches deep. Use the green numbers to input inches. The sidewalk is 4 feet across. Use the blue numbers to input feet. Enter 20 feet for the final dimension. The default waste is 5% under the app's settings, but I'd like to include 15% waste for the sidewalk. The sidewalk is complete, so click Done, then add another shape for the slab. Enter the details for your slab, then click Done or the back arrow. You can now see the total yardage for your project. Using the button in the top right, you can generate an Excel file of your estimate. If you'd like other shapes or features added, please email us through the app or comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.